I got my Louis Vuitton. I've been waiting for this for like 3 months. Dili jud siya available. Finally, today, available siya. I got the Speedy Bandouliere 30. I'm so excited to share this because before, nangandoy ra kong baka Louis Vuitton. This time, this is real. So, let's unbox this! Thank you, God, for the blessings. Of course, napakagandang mga ribbon ni box ni Louis Vuitton. Thank you, Louis Vuitton. And then, one thing earlier, ang nag-assist na mo, she's a Filipina. And the destiny did me ani nga bag. So, look at this. Let's unbox this. Of course, see. Yeah. And ta-da! Look at this. So pretty. So pretty. Perfect ra kayo. And then, I'm so thankful because they put my initials. Claudine, Lucica to your CLT in a gold, you know, gold, so tawagan ni gold na pagka-print, emboss. So, yes, I'm so happy. Finally, I got the bundle. Dili mo ko na available yung Speedy. Oh, actually, Speedy akong unang gusto, but then, like, not the Bandouliere one, but then, dili available guys ang Speedy. So, basic lang. So, finally, ay Speedy nga Bandouliere available. So, that's the lock, and the key, and so on. And of course, this is what I like, cause hindi na ta-mahassle lang yung bit-bit nga pang madam. Of course, because there's a pretty sling. This is what really I like with Bandouliere, no? Because, yes, see, may sling na nimo. And a perfect size for me if masulod ako diri ako mga notebook. Siguro masulod pa diri ang mga beer, wine, o sa pa. So, this is it. I'm so thankful. And it is freshly made this year because ang code niya is 2021. So it means nga this year lagi siya nag-create kay last year di jud available. So finally, and this is made in Paris. So I got this in Rome, Italy, but this is made in Paris. So I'm so thankful, and gosh, this is an ultimate dream. I had a Louis Vuitton, pero I got one before, second hand lang. Pero this is a first hand. I'm so thankful for having this. And salamat God for the blessing. So, I hope guys na sa una si Kusana rin akong gusto, no? And then level up siya into mga MK. And then like, kaya dili ko ka-afford. Then this time, I saved a lot. And finally, my husband pushed me to buy it today because he saw it online nga available. Then finally available din siya. And then I got one, very fresh. I can smell the leather. Grabe ang mga leather. So thank you. So dili lang jud ta munong og pangandoy, you know, dream big. And then I know that every girls out there, every women out there, gusto nila like something you know, a bag position where pwede nila ipamana sa ilang mga anak. So, dapat kung mga anak ni Wilmer, ang pangalan sa mga anak mag-start to the letter C. And na-G-C-L-T. So, dapat. And then, yeah, I know before, happy na kay ko kung na ako yung bag na, for example, ukay-ukay. Pero this time, I can't believe that God really gave me this moment na where I can own my first ever Louis Vuitton. As in, first hand din siya nga ako yung nagpalit, ako yung ato sa store, and Wilmer chose it for me because perfect kayo siya sa ako ang card. Ingon ani. perfect siya, and then perfect food siya kaayo if you do the sling. I want the sling one for travel and so on. Very perfect for traveling and for office, of course. So there you are, guys. I think what I learned along the journey is you just think positive. Ask. God is so great. We have a big God. So if you ask something bigger, of course, iatag yun sa mga basta specific na yung iatag. I mean, Panginoon kay God. I really dream of having a Speedy Bandouliere bag. Now, the moment arrived and this is it. And I hope na for those mga aspiring, empowered women out there, we just need to, you know, save a lot, earn more, learn more, whatsoever. And then one day, I could say na one day nothing is impossible. I didn't imagine na makapalit ko yung yung bag. But then, finally, na-achieve na yung that what dream bag. And I look forward na I could buy more in the next year. Because I was thinking, oh, this is my first. And then I hope that I could, you know, buy more. Maybe not Louis Vuitton. And then maybe Fendi. We went to Fendi earlier. And then I saw one Fendi bag. It's so nice. Target na po doon ako next time. Hopefully, in God's grace. I know God is so great. And yeah. And sa mga nauna ko pag-afford right? Inala ko misalitan sa una. Pero when I changed my mindset na yes, I can afford it, I will have this, I have this, and I have that, I put it in my mind that I can have everything what I want, what I need, then God just suddenly threw it up to you, give it to you because you asked for it. So I hope you just be inspired as well. And imagine ako ko pabihon sa una and then thank God because due to hard work, you know, and dedication to work, and because you are inspired, me, I'm so inspired, and thank God for this wonderful blessing. It's not just about me buying a bag, but the thought is, I realized na if you're really chasing for a dream that you want, achieve to din and for with God, nothing is impossible. This is just one thing that, you know, God answered one of my prayers. This is something material, but for me, it's like a joy in my heart as a woman. You know, woman, you can relate me mga sis, di ba? Mga besh, mga moms, mga madam. So you can relate for it. So yeah, I just wish you all guys that, you know, for those empowered women, just be positive and just be inspired and just dream whatever you want. We can achieve it. Like for